Hi again, Druzy. This is take 2 of how to propagate an Achimene from cuttings. And I think that this one, I'm using a larger plant than the plant that you have, which is pretty delicate. And I think that this one might be easier to see. So here's what I recommend you do. I'm going to use this pot that doesn't have anything in it. This is representing your plant number 2, which doesn't have too much in it. Now, as you can see, I've got the soil up pretty high in the pot. And what I'm recommending that you do is take your existing plant in there and use a little tool. This is actually a butter knife. Use a little tool, go in under it and sort of lift it up and then put in more soil so that you get it higher in the pot, and then moisten the whole thing. So, you've got your moist soil, you've got your plant lifted up. Then you're going to come in. Again, this monstrous thing is called Achimene Jennifer Good. It came from the Vanderbilt greenhouse, and I've already done this process to this plant this spring, but we're going to do it again. And here is a likely subject right here. We're going to cut it. Boop. There. Dip it in our rooting medium. Like so. See? And I'm actually going to take off, I think, these leaves. I'm just going to remove these leaves. Can you see that? I'm going to poke a hole in my soil and stick that guy down in there to right about where that first set of leaves was growing. Then I'm going to press the soil down tightly around it. And that's another reason why it's good to get the soil up a little bit higher, because it will compact over time and get lower in the pot. And as we do this process and we're pressing these plants in, it will also get lower in the pot. So then you're going to repeat the process. And what I would recommend that you do, because those, what I'm going to call the Hoosier Purple Achimenes, are so delicate, I would recommend that you then water them with a little misting spray. Keep the soil evenly moist, put it in, indirect bright light or mottled sunlight. I think that your plant is it on the west side or the north side of your house where your patio is? I can't remember, but anyway, you're growing it successfully there already. So just put the little starts out there and keep them moist. Make sure that you have good soil to stem contact. Get them in there nice and snug, and you'll just repeat that process. That's it. Bye.